Hi. So we are going to do the same thing which we did in the last project. So we saw a floating balloon. Now we are going to do the same steps and make a fish glide in the water. Shall we do that? Okay. So what's the first step we do? We choose a backdrop. So let's go. And where is a fish? Where do you usually see a fish? You see it in the water. So let's choose water. Where's water? This looks pretty cool. Let's choose this water. What are we going to choose next? We're going to choose a fish. Okay, where's fish? There is a fish here, but there is one more cute fish. I'm going to choose that. Okay. Wow, you like this fish? I really like it. Okay. So now what are we going to do? When we click on this fish, we want it to move. So what do? We go here and choose this. Okay. And next thing what we wanted to do? We wanted to glide and move. Okay. So we have clicked on this. So what happens? Alright. Wow. Our fish is moving. So every time we click, it moves. You don't want to click again and again. You want to put it in a loop. Let's do that. How do we do? Let's say repeat it 10 times. Now when you click, it moves on its own. Now it's not stopping anywhere, right? So let's make it stop for a few seconds before moving again. So I've added a wait. Now let's see what happens. So it stops for a second and then it moves. Wow. Our fish is going in reverse. I've never seen a fish which goes in reverse. Okay, let's go to full screen and see it. That's so cool. Our fish is gliding in the water, and that's what we wanted, correct? Alright, so I hope you like this project. And there's one more thing you can do too. If you don't want, if you want to keep it repeating forever, you can put this here and then one click and then it'll keep repeating and repeating and repeating. Okay? Okay. Shall we stop now? Want to see it again in a large screen? Okay. Alright, let's stop now. I think we have had enough fun. Okay, so let's stop. I'll see you again in the next video.